Hi YouTube, welcome to Asian BUSHCRAFT Brotherhood channel. Today what I'm going to show you is how to make a trap. I already make two pieces of pole here. I'm going to show you that clearly. Yeah, to make it shorter my video, this is the another piece of wood to put here like this, and put the lock over there, and then put the bed like that. So if you press the bed like that, the snare will come out together with the spring. Okay, what I did today is like this. I already put the spring, and then this is the lock. So I have to put the lock like this under, like this, and I have to put the another lock to put the bed like that, so it's safe. Now what I have to do is to make a snare like this to put on the top of the bed. Yeah, I'm going to put one by one slowly. I hope you can see it. I'll show you later. Oh shit, what the hell. Sorry, try again one more time. This is not my god, we have to be very careful about this. Better stay away. Just put the bed like that, slowly, like that. Then if you want, now you can put the snare on the top of the bed clearly like this, like that. I'm going to show you first how it looks like. The reason like this is I don't want to cut the paracord. I just want to save the paracord for some other kind of special or other kind of things to use it. Okay, this is the snare, this is the lock, it's another lock to put the bed, and this is the spring. So you can put some cover like this if you want, like that. Put a lot more of leaves like that, cover everything. So you can put this kind of trap like the game trail, so no need to put some kind of baits. If you want to put this kind of trap in the other place, like it's not a game trail, you have to put some baits, so the games will come to eat the baits and catch. Now I'm going to show you how effective is this. I'm going to press down the bed, and then they're going to catch my hand like this. Watch out. Oops. See, look at that. Ow. Oh my god, bad testing, I'm sorry. Now in Hong Kong, making a trap is strictly prohibited, illegal. So now I already show you how to make the trap. Now it's time to dismantle. So I don't have any evidence that I make a trap here. thank you for watching. Bye bye.